Why is your face looking like this?
Hit me. Hit me.
Calm down, calm down. Tell me, what caused the argument? What caused all of it?
His phone rang and I answered it, and I heard a woman saying, "Hey baby," and so we started arguing over it.
I need to know everything. Walk me through everything that happened.
So it goes like this.
I try to reach you, I can't hide how strong the feeling when we dive across the ocean of my mind. My wounds are healing with the soul. All my senses intensified whenever you and I would dive across the ocean of my mind. But in the end I drown. You push me down, down.
Oh my God, what is wrong with you young people? Based on what I'm seeing, you were the one who was fighting him all along and he didn't want to hit you. He's a human being. If you provoke him like that, he's going to hit you back. He should have been a man and walk away. But look at what you did to yourself. Both of you did to each other. That's not right. If you have to get physical, then it doesn't make any sense. I need to talk to both of you. Going to get him and I need to talk to both of you.